Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access cloud saves in Steam. So let's get started. So now in order to access cloud saves on your Steam, now to do that what you have to do is first open up your Steam application, and after opening up your Steam just tap on the Steam option which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that just simply tap on settings and then make sure that your cloud save is turned on. So just simply tap on cloud and then tap on enable Steam Cloud. So just simply enable it, and after enabling it restart your Steam, and after restarting your Steam what you have to do is tap on library which is on the top left, and after tapping on that now you'll find the games that you have. So just simply select the game and then right click on it, and after tapping on right click now simply tap on properties, and inside your general tab you will find the option which is keep game saves in Steam Cloud. So what you have to do is just simply enable it or just check that option, and after checking that option now what you have to do is just simply tap on install files and then tap on browse. And after tapping on browse now in the top you will find Steam option, just simply tap on it and then scroll down and open your user data option. And after opening up your user data you will find all the cloud saves that you have in your Steam. So that's it guys, this is how to access cloud saves in Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.